Do you ever feel like your throat is heavy and tight when you sing high notes? In such cases, a pattern emerges where you close your vocal cords too tightly and push up with force to hit the high notes. It's like when you lift a heavy object, a lot of unnecessary tension goes into your throat. So let's try 3 exercises together. You need to practice reducing the habit of closing your vocal cords, the primary valve, too tightly. Try making this sound as if you're cheering. Think of cheering for someone far away so that your throat doesn't get blocked. You should make the sound lightly like this. You need to keep a light sound even in the lower notes. This way the sound doesn't flip. Even if the sound seems like falsetto, you need to maintain the lightness. When trying to hit high notes using only the vocal cords, the primary valve, excessive tension is placed on the throat and it tires easily. Therefore, it's necessary to practice distributing the effort by using the second valve. This practice, so that the sound doesn't become too dark. You should produce it brightly. If the high notes still feel heavy, more exaggerated practice is needed. So, try inhaling as if yawning and maintain that feeling while practicing. When you yawn, air quickly enters the body, causing the vocal cords to naturally open. This way, the sound won't be heavy. If you found this helpful, you can subscribe, like, and set notifications to receive more information. Thank you.